Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate using an Ego electric leaf blower. It's the 530 CFM model to clear some snow. I have very light snow on the driveway. I've got the standard battery in it. It's fully charged. It's a 56 volt battery, and it's a brushless blower, and I use this quite a bit to clear snow when it's not a lot of, when it's a light snow out. I don't know if I get good lighting here. This is going to be kind of hard to film because it's dark out, but I'll demonstrate using this. Now, I've cleaned this part of the drive already. It's snowing pretty fast. I haven't cleaned any of that, so that's a little bit thicker over there. So I'll do a little bit of this, and I'll transition over there and try and demonstrate this a little bit. Okay, that's what I'm going to do just to demonstrate. It's kind of hard to see here how much I did. That's about what I did in the video. It's kind of hard to film and blow the snow at the same time, but I found this to be very effective for cleaning like dusting of snow off the driveway, and works a lot better than a shovel. I can get down in the cracks and everything and just completely clear it off. And even sometimes when you get a little heavier snow, I can come out a couple times during the storm and clean it off a couple times and keep up on it before I drive on it. Now, you see, like I drove on it here. I actually cleared it, went to pick up my kid at something, and came back. And actually, if I had this in the car, I could have stopped in the road and cleared my drive real quick. But I drove on it a little bit. But I like to, keep the drive clear, so I cut down on ice because I don't like to use a lot of like chemical ice melt and stuff. So. But that's a demonstration. I have another video on this blower here. I'll put a link in the description. But if you like this video, please click like, and thanks for watching.